This video is for any musician that's been impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic. Today we're going to be demonstrating an update to Alexa for Musicians for a pop-up on our login page. So for musicians that go straight to the login page for their first time, when you sign in, you don't have any musician attached. So what we now do is this pop-up. We ask you what your musician name is, and then when you give us your musician name, so we'll call me Sweets the King, I then create it, and then boom, we land on our account page. The next step that we're going to do before we release this new updated website is we're going to update the name to the actual musician name. We're going to update this image to whatever the image is that you signed in with. We'll also change that name up here, and this will get changed to your email that you signed in with. You can see that this information is correct. The time that I signed up, the time zone, and then my artist name, Sweets the King, is all correct. So we're just going to start to update this info on the profile next. If you got any questions, please let us know in the comments. Otherwise, this is Sweets signing off.